Please open the gate. The gate is open. Let's go inside. This is a car factory. This is a car production line. In a moment, we will build a police monster truck. Get ready. But let's close the gate first. Okay, we're ready. First, let's lay the body of the car. Now let's move on. The car is too high. Let's squeeze it a bit. Let's squeeze it on the sides. Okay, let's move on. Now we have to lift the car. Good job, Crane. Let's put the front chassis on. In the rear. Crane, lower the car. We move to the next assembly station. We will install the rear bumper. Now let's attach the police lights. We'll put the wheels on at the next station. Let's pick up the car. One, two, three, 4 wheels. Now let's put the wheels on the axles. Good job. Let's move on. Now let's check the suspension. All right, let's do another endurance test. Terrific! The police monster truck is ready to go. Let's put him on the ground. The car is leaving. See you in the next video. Now we will learn shapes with monster trucks. Let's see what the first monster truck will bring us.
Rectangle. Rectangle.
And now another monster truck.
Square. Square.
The triangle is blue.
Triangle. Triangle.
Police monster truck carries a circle.
Circle. Circle.
The ellipse is pink.
Ellipse. Ellipse. Pentagon. Pentagon. Hexagon. Hexagon.
I love stars.
Star. Star.
Thank you, monster trucks. Now let's repeat the names of the shapes. There are 8 monster trucks, just like 8 shapes.
Rectangle.
The rectangle flies to the green monster truck.
Square.
The square belongs to the blue one.
Triangle.
The triangle will go with the red car.
Circle.
The circle is owned by the police.
Ellipse.
Ellipse likes the yellow monster truck.
Pentagon.
The Pentagon will ride the orange car.
Hexagon.
Hexagon is a friend of the navy blue monster truck.
Star.
And the star is owned by the purple car. Okay, let's go monster trucks.
Rectangle. Square. Triangle. Circle. Ellipse. Pentagon. Hexagon. Star.
It was a lot of learning. I hope you memorized all the shapes.